Hi friends, welcome to International Maths Olympiad videos, Standard 10th, video number 29, Quadratic Equations, Section A, Easy. Let's start. If root of x minus 1 minus root of x plus 1 plus 1 equals to 0, then the 4x equals to what? Means what? Basically you have to find 4x. You have to solve this and find 4x. Okay. Root of x minus 1 minus root of x plus 1, take this minus 1 on the other side, you get equals to minus 1. Okay. Now next, then rationalize it. Now what do you mean by rationalizing? Remove the roots. Here the basic meaning of rationalization is removing the surd sign. That is, it can be in numerator, it can be in denominator. Okay, so we are removing it in numerator. So what we'll do, we'll multiply the same numbers with the opposite sign. So root of x minus 1 plus root of x plus 1 on numerator and denominator, you get x minus 1 minus x plus 1. How? A minus b into a plus b equals to a square minus b square, right? The whole upon the denominator as it is equals to minus 1. So solve this. This becomes xx gone minus 2 upon root of x minus 1 plus root of x plus 1 equals to minus 1. Cross this. So you will get root of x minus 1 plus root of x plus 1 equals to minus minus gone 2. Give this equation number 2. Now you have equation number 1, you have equation number 2, right? Add them. So what happens? After adding this x plus 1 goes, so root of 2 into root of x minus 1 equals to 1. How 1? This is minus 1, this is 2. So 2 minus 1, 1. Okay. Therefore, bring 2 on the other side. Root of x minus 1 equals to 1 upon 2. Therefore, x minus 1 equals to 1 upon 4. Right? Okay. Therefore, x equals to 5 upon 4. Therefore, 4x equals to 5. This is normal solving. As we solve the normal brackets. Okay. So, you can square this over here itself. 4 into x minus 1 equals to 1. Then 4x equals minus 4 equals to 1. Take 4 on the other side. You get 4x equals to 5. That's the required answer. Anyways, you can do it. Okay. Next, to watch the videos further, kindly download YuvaGuru app from Play Store and follow the paid version in 10+2 section. You can also WhatsApp on the number 9960560404 to get the videos permanently on your PC and on your mobile. What you get in these videos? IMO, IEO, IGKO, ISCO, NSO, NCO, Homi Bhabha plus many other exams questions with explanations. So keep studying, keep watching.